What's good? Welcome to another video. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ted and I talk bass. Look, this video is brought to you by the merch store down below. Go on and get yourself a t-shirt or a mug or something like that. Look, let's get into this video real quick, real simple. For the love of money, I did this video a few years ago, but wanted to revisit it and redo it and talk about some of the cool stuff in this video and how you could approach this with your thumb and not a pick like Anthony Jackson did. So yeah, let's get into it. If you like it, like it. If you don't like it, don't like it. But leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, all the YouTubey things, so we can get those numbers back up because the algorithm is tripping. Y'all hear the thunder outside? Let's get into it. Okay, so check this out. I'm going to use only my thumb on this. The rhythms that I play are not going to be exact. I got to clean them shoes up. Are not going to be exactly like Anthony Jackson played. However, that's not really the thing I'm trying to accomplish here. I want to help you get this thing together, this thumb thing. And if you play it like this on a gig or around your friends, nobody is ever going to say, oh, that ain't it. That's not the song. That's not how it goes. Nobody's going to do that. Having this groove and this feel together. So, we're on D. See how I missed that? Some people miss that and get freaked out. I'm just, Vic says it all the time. My thumb is just, if I had a pick in my hand, I'd be doing this, right? Take that first finger out. And you're left with your thumb. You see what I'm saying? So there's your first thing. Let me get a little closer. Just down, up. And if I talk about this hand, when I play the note, pressure goes down and it comes off. Simple, right? So then we're going to do that same thing, but if you saw the last video put out about the octaves, you play the octave D with my pinky finger. There's an exercise, again, referring back to the octave video. Now I'm exaggerating my motion here just a little bit for demonstration, but my arm is more relaxed than you might think. And it's more wrist than anything else. So remember, if you've ever played guitar and you had a pick, think about that pick. Take away that first finger. Take away the other fingers. And there's your thumb pick. Right? So down, up, and then the flat 7. Okay? So those are the notes, right? But you notice that's the steady stream of 16th notes, right? Is he always playing the ghost notes and the 16th notes on the record consistently the whole time? No, that's what I've developed over time. I try to stay away from doing the play-alongs on YouTube because YouTube is getting a lot trickier with the copyright strikes and all that stuff. So, and of course, you wouldn't want to take everything I'm saying in this video and use it as law. You want to listen to the recording as well. So, but in this process, you're building up this technique, right? This physical technique. And also, as I say all the time, those shapes. Root, octave, flat 7, and the 6. You hear that in funk music all the time, right? That shape, you see that shape all the time. If I took out the 16th notes, that would sound like. And so what? I missed it, right? The note that I just missed, when I missed that C, so what? I'm playing with my first finger, then I switch. And also, referring back to the other video, this is now where I'm using a 1 finger per fret thing shape, because I use my 2 fingers there. C, B, C, D, right? Now, it's also maybe relevant to note that if you play this, use your thumb back here, you're not going to get the exact same sound. Not for this tune. Not saying that using your thumb back here isn't a thing to do when it's a thing to do. You can definitely do that. I said do a lot just now, but anyway, you hear the thunder? It's not my thumbs, it's actual thunder. Ha 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 ha. Okay, anyway, so without the 16th notes, down, up, down, up. You can play with that. Turn that into an exercise. So I'm just taking a shape and a technique and moving it around the neck, right? Back to the groove. To the and a 3 and a 40 and a 1. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 40 and a 1 and a 2. Taking that idea, this groove, breaking it apart, turning it into its own exercise, right? In my opinion, staring at a PDF is not, it's like, that's very helpful for some people, I get it, but that's not really going to get it under your fingers, right? You gotta, if you were watching whatever the popular show is right now and just right, playing closer to this part of the neck, to the back end of the neck. It's a feel thing, you know? that is a quick little lesson, really technique, not just the song, but the technique that you can get out of learning the song. If you find a groove that you like, pick it apart and take these little bits of the song. I'm never going to sound like Anthony Jackson, and you aren't either. You're going to sound a lot like you know, interpolating or interpreting an Anthony Jackson line. So, yeah, that's my opinion on it. So, anyway, I hope you like the video. Like it if you like it. Share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Again, be sure to grab a product or click one of those affiliate links down below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. 2 fingers.